guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be exploring the entire Palolem beach. So we're staying approximately almost in the middle of the beach is where our beach cottage is. So I thought I'll probably take you around this entire area, and there is a spot which is behind. It's quite secluded and not many people actually go there. We've been for our yesterday's walk that side, so I thought I'll probably show you around that side as well. And hopefully if the tides are low, we'll be exploring that island as well, because you could actually walk across. You can take a walk across if the tides are low. And you can only do this in the mornings, because towards the afternoons and evenings when the water gets back and you won't be able to cross. So come on, let's go. Sunbathing. Just look at this, guys. Isn't this gorgeous? The water is quite blue today. So you have a lot of beach huts, which is budget friendly for everyone. I mean, you get various kinds of stay for various budgets, for something as low as maybe 500 per night, and it goes upwards. So there are some really exotic resorts as well in this place. So budget accommodations would probably be something like this that you can get, which is beachside, beach front-facing huts. And this could probably be around, I think, maybe anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 rupees per night.
One behind the beach.
Yeah, so the ones that are behind are normally a lot cheaper. There's this really nice place here that we've been to yesterday. The accommodations as well are very nice, and they have a beautiful sit-out area, which is converted into like a bar at night. So then in the daytime you can have, it's a coffee shop, so you can even have your coffee and breakfast here. And this is actually the main road. It's the main entrance to the beach. So if you come by car, you can actually go ahead and maybe park your car here. see here, that's Monkey Island.
Butterfly right behind.
And Butterfly Beach is right behind that. So I just found out from the locals here, currently it's high tide, so we won't be able to cross and go over to that island. But the low tide probably would be from 1 o'clock, 1 to 2, something like that. Then probably we would be able to, cross over and take a walk around that island as well.
Don't even go to that.
Yeah, or the other option is that you can also maybe, take a kayak, right, which is around 400 rupees per head per hour.
Good, how are
And
you?
they also give you like a dry bag to keep all your electronics and accessories
You too.
and everything.
I'll let you know. See ya, take care.
So you have a lot of these beach beds right along the beach, and I think it is 100 rupees per bed if you want to use it for the full day. But maybe if you're buying some food or drinks from the restaurant, it should be for free. So this is another amazing place. It's called Cozy Nook. You get some really good breakfast items and really chill vibes. Actually, if you just want some quietness, even in the evening times, because some of the shacks play some really loud music. But if you want to, be in peace and maybe just hear the sound of the waves, this place is really very nice. It's kids friendly as well.
Check out this place. It's so beautiful. It's the end of the beach, and there is a lagoon. It's literally like a swimming pool where you can take a dip, you can swim. I mean, it's brilliant. People go to places like Thailand and Philippines and things like that, keeping such a hidden gem out here in Palolem. Beautiful. Let's explore. You can see of the beach shacks out there as well. So it connects to the road behind, or maybe you can take a boat and you can access those shacks. And from here, rather these boats, you can hire one of these boats, and they will take you for an eagle feeding, boating kind of a thing. So wherein that would be about 45 minutes to 1 hour ride, wherein you can feed eagles. This is more like a backwaters, I can say, which is the other side is the sea, the same water, and it's connected to the backwater. It's like a lake. It's very, very beautiful.
Wow, so gorgeous.
Extremely beautiful.
And we'll be going there as well.
Yeah. So today, by about 5 o'clock, we will be taking one of these boats basically. So, to explore and also to feed eagle. Let's see how that goes as well. We'll make a video on that as well. So if you guys are coming to, this one. Okay, so this is the boat to be precise. This boat. Okay. So we will take this boat and we will go for eagle feeding.
Yeah.
All right, and let's see how that goes. In the meantime,
And this is the uncle that will be taking us for the boat ride. So we'll be putting up all of his details in the description on our next video, so that you can contact him when you're here.
Yes, we'll also mention his contact details so that you guys can contact and get more information about boating and things like that. So let's see. Well, let's take a drone shot now and see how it goes. Let's see. We'll take a couple of drone shots and to see how it looks from the sky view, and we will be adding that into the video. So that, all right. So we'll see you in a drone shot in the meantime.